up, it's your girl Simone Cherise. Today in this video, I'm showing you guys how to install your 360 lace frontal wig, okay? And I did this really easy and simple for everyone. I am using a new product. So I'm not using Gotta Be Glued, which is a gel, to install my wig. I'm actually using an actual glue. So I'm using Ghost Bond glue, and I think the product is amazing. I bought it for about $24. I honestly have no complaints. It has my wig looking nice and seamless, so that's thumbs up for me. And the back, it actually has the back held down quite well. So I'm super in love with it. I feel like this is a product I might use for quite some time. However, I am going to the gym a lot, so I probably might use this when I'm really going out because it costs so much, but it really works. So I like it a lot. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this is how the back looks, which, you know, it kind of did hold up really well. So it looks really well. I didn't glue right here too much, but I glued everywhere around the perimeter. But enough talking, you guys will see the rest in the video. So yeah. It's kind of like that video, like when you love your nails but you love your edges, so you're like, yes. What? Wait, what time? Whisper in my ear. Tell me what you said. Can you tell me again? I can't hear you. Oh my god, my phone's ringing. Hello?
Bye.
What's up? Oh, all these edges? Yeah, it's mine. But yeah, so enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so today's hair was provided by Msbuy. I was given a wig that was black, obviously, with some waves in it. I'll have all the correct specs down below for you guys, like the density and whatnot. So this wig is a 360 wig. I went ahead and I bleached the knots, and I just added a little bit of jet black dye to the hair. Each wig comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap in the back. So for step 1, you want to brush your edges away from the hairline, and this is going to avoid your hair coming into any contact with the glue, because you do not want glue on your hair because you will lose your edges, okay? So this is how the wig looks after it's been washed, and I already cut the extra lace off. But if you see this little part right here, this is where the airs technically is supposed to go. So where the seam is, which you see right here, that is the part that I went ahead and cut. So I didn't cut the lines too straight, the lace too straight, as you can see. With the wig, you can adjust the strap if you want, tighter or looser. It's totally up to you. I kept mine semi-tight. So for step 3, what you want to do is you want to try on the wig. And the reason why you want to try on the wig is you want to make sure that it fits perfectly, and you want to make sure the ears fit comfortably. So you see how my ears kind of tucked underneath the lace? No. You want to go ahead and cut the excess lace off, because if not, it will be so uncomfortable and it will not lay the way you want it to lay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off on both sides. And as you see, it makes it lay much more flatter and more fitting to your head shape. Next, we're going to go ahead and get into the nitty gritty. We're going to go ahead and use the rubbing alcohol to kind of clean the skin surrounding the hairline. You don't want to have any oils or anything near your hairline because it won't make the glue stick too well. So I'm using the Ghost Bond XL glue, and I'm going to actually apply a thin layer above, or before, I should say, the hairline. Do not put this on your hair. Do not put this on your hair. Do not put this on your hair. You can. Your hair won't come out if you take it off correctly, but if you don't take it off correctly, you're gonna be bald. So make sure you put this on your hair properly. I'm gonna put 2 layers on because it helps it to stick a little bit more, and I'm using my fingers to smush it down a little bit and rub it in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the wig to the glue. And I'm doing this in parts. So if you see, I'm gonna do the middle part first, and I'm gonna push it down with my fingers. Then I'm going to go ahead and work onto the left side, and I'm just going to, and don't pull the lace because then your skin will wrinkle. So make sure you just lightly put it where it belongs, but do not pull down. Don't stretch the lace or it's going to be uncomfortable and feel kind of tight. Next, I'm going to do the right side, and I'm just going to use a rat tail comb, and I'm going to make sure I push down the lace to make sure it's sticking really nice and flat. You can even hold it if you want and comb just to make sure everything is nice and smooth the way you want it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and tie my edges down for about 20 minutes or longer. and then I'm going to untie it, and this is how the end result should look for the front. We didn't get to the back yet. We're getting to the back in a few, but if you see it sticking really well, some parts that may not be stuck a little bit as well as you wanted to, you can go back in and dab a little bit more glue. It's totally up to you, but if you're going to do baby hair, you can totally skip that part or just press down any loose areas that you see. But this thing is sticking so well. Like, it's sticking better than anything I've ever tried before. Now it's time for the back. We're going to go ahead and glue this area. I already wiped the area clean, and I'm going to test it out before I go ahead and glue. So I saw that it fits very perfectly. As you can see, it's still adjusted. I still have my wig on tight, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Ghost Bond glue to apply it to the nape of my neck. Is that what it's called? Or the back of my hairline. Let's just call it that. No fancy words here. And I'm going to let it dry a little bit, but this whole smushing part is important. It makes it dry better and neater and quicker and faster. So I'm going to smush it down a little bit, and I'm going to use a paper thing to just kind of dry the glue. You can use a blow dryer, but everyone was sleeping, so I didn't want to be the only one making noise in the house. Here I did my second layer of glue, and I didn't let it dry completely because I was getting too restless. I wanted to hurry up and see my results, so I just kind of stuck it down. Don't do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just press it down, press with my fingers and with my comb, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down again with my head tie, because like I said, you want this to settle and sit into place. But guys, it looks so realistic. I don't feel like I could have done this with Gotta Be Glued, and that's why I've never done the 360. Gotta Be Glued takes time to dry and blah, 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 blah. And this was kind of just to the point. All right, so now it should be dry now. You can see I'm giving a little tug, and it's stuck into place, so that's really good. And yeah, this is how it looks. So it really looks good once you comb it. Guys, you can add baby hair to this. It's totally up to you. I just didn't add any baby hairs yet because I didn't style it completely. But this is how it looks. So just know this is not an everyday wear type of product. I mean, it's an everyday wear if you put it on Monday and take it off on Sunday. But it's not for you to take off your wig daily. Okay? So that means you're going to keep your wig on for quite some time before you actually take it off. I love the hair. I went ahead and I bleached the knots. It has this nice wave to it, and the hair's actually really soft. It's a tad bit of shedding that I'm experiencing. That's kind of that I'm experiencing. But for the most part, I had no issues with the hair, and this is it in its natural state. So it's really pretty. I had it in a ponytail to show you guys how the 360 looked, and yeah.